Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi. Today I'm sharing a very quick, easy and healthy evening snack which can be enjoyed by the whole family. So let's quickly get started with the recipe. To make this recipe, I'm using 10 ripe jackfruit, half cup kapli wheat flour. Kapli wheat is also known as emmer wheat, which is an ancient variety of wheat grain which has a very weak gluten molecule and it is also high in fiber. 5 to 6 cardamoms. Half cup grated coconut, 5 to 6 cardamoms. Along with this, I'll be using 1/4 cup of organic jaggery. Jaggery you can increase or decrease as per your sweetness or as per the sweetness of the ripe jackfruit. I'm adding the cardamoms into my stone grinder and I'm crushing them. Once crushed, I'm peeling off the skin and then I'm grinding the seeds of the cardamom into a fine powder. The flavor of freshly ground cardamom is amazing in this recipe, so try not to skip it. Next, into my chutney grinder, I am roughly slicing the ripe jackfruit. I don't discard the jackfruit seed. I'll be using it to make a sabji, or you can simply add it in dal curry. Roughly chop the jackfruit. We're just going to puree this. Add in 1/4 cup water. Add in the jaggery. I'm using organic jaggery which does not have any sand or dirt or dust particle. You can also increase jaggery as per your sweetness. And now I'm going to grind this to a fine puree. The jaggery and jackfruit are nicely blended, so I'm going to keep it aside. Into a bowl, I'm adding in the kapli wheat flour. Instead of kapli wheat flour, you can also use ordinary whole wheat flour. Kapli wheat is slightly coarse because it has more fiber, and this is stone ground kapli wheat. Also, kapli wheat is slightly on the darker side than ordinary whole wheat flour. When you make rotis with kapli wheat, the roti will be slightly reddish brown color. I've already shared many videos on the health benefits of kapli wheat. Please do check it out to understand more. Into this, I'm adding in the grated coconut. This is freshly grated coconut. Mix the coconut into the kapli wheat flour. Into this, add in the pureed jackfruit and jaggery mix. And give this a nice mix. Add in the freshly ground cardamom powder, a couple of tablespoons of extra water, and mix all this really well. You can check the sweetness at this stage. If you feel you need more sweetness, you can grate in extra jaggery. Make sure the kapli wheat is nicely incorporated, so there should not be any bits of raw flour. And if there are any small tiny bits of jaggery, just crush it with your fingers. We don't want any tiny bits of jaggery because if it is left like that, this may stick to the tawa. So make sure the jaggery bits are nicely incorporated into the batter. I'm just making sure that there are no jaggery bits in the batter. I'm heating my cast iron tawa and I'm greasing it with gingerly oil. I'm using wood pressed gingerly oil, also known as sesame oil. Once the tawa is heated, reduce the flame to the lowest. Add in half of the mix onto the tawa. And wet your fingers and lightly spread out the batter on the tawa. You can also wet the back of a spoon and lightly spread it out. Drizzle in 1 teaspoon wood pressed coconut oil on the sides and on the center. Cover and let it cook on low flame. After a couple of minutes later, open the lid and carefully flip it over. Since I am using a well seasoned cast iron tawa, it does not stick to the tawa. So try to use a well seasoned cast iron tawa. Carefully flip it over. And once that side is cooked, carefully remove it from the tawa and serve to a plate. Repeat the same thing with the rest of the batter. I am using wood pressed sesame oil to grease the tawa. Add in the rest of the batter. With wet fingers, lightly spread it out. And then you can spread it out with the back of a spoon dipped in water. And drizzle in 1 teaspoon wood pressed coconut oil in the center and on the sides, and let it cook on low flame and transfer to the plate. And my super healthy evening snack made with the ripe jackfruit is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy evening snack when jackfruits are in season and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.